So in today's video, we're going to be creating a Star Wars themed photo shoot. Let's go. But first things first, I want to show you guys everything that I'm going to be using on this photo shoot. We're going to be taking my Canon EOS 4000D camera. I love this camera. We've done most of the photo shoots on this. But we're going to be using this 18 to 55mm lens. This is my primary, my go-to one. But we also do have a 75 to 300mm lens and this nice little 50mm. And this one has a lower aperture than any of these two. So honestly, these three lenses have their own special trait. We're also going to be using this. This is just an LED strip that I've just cable tied onto this PVC piping, and they are RGB. They will be acting as the lightsaber, but we're also going to be using this power bank here to power the LED strip. And this is a hefty power bank. And we're also going to be taking this tripod, obviously. So without further ado, let's get everything packed up and then let's head to our first location. So alrighty guys, we have made it to the first location, and as you can see, this place is a little overgrown, but right over there is a school, and it is Good Friday, so no one's there, so we have this place to ourselves. And sundown is literally happening in like 10 minutes, so we're gonna wait like about 10 minutes to sundown, and then we're gonna get set up for the photo shoot, and then there should be enough darkness to actually take this shot. So part 2 of the location is now done, and it's gotten really dark, if you can tell. Tomorrow we will head to location 3 where we will do another photo shoot, and then we will go into Photoshop and edit all of those photos, and then this one is done. So see you tomorrow at location 3. So we're at the third location, and this is the same spot where I done my steel wall photography, and I chose this spot again because of the sky. I want to try and do something cool with it in Photoshop. So we're gonna hang around for a little bit until when it gets a little bit darker, and then set up the camera and tripod, take the photos, and then go back in Photoshop and edit all of these photos. So let's wait a little bit longer. So nothing too complicated going on here. I'm just adding a mask layer and then using the brush tool to paint my other half in. And as for the lightsaber, I'm just using the pen tool to draw a line down the PVC piping and then fell stroking that in with the specific colour to the light. And then duplicate that layer and add a nice Gaussian blur to it, and then you've got yourself a nice glowing lightsaber. From there I added in a couple of extras. I added in a Death Star, a couple of TIE fighters and a couple of Stormtrooper helmets. So this is just a quick little video. I just wanted to do photography because I haven't done it in a long while, but I am slowly getting back into it, so there'll be a lot more videos. But that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys later in the next video.